Hey folks, we are live again. We are in Clermont, France. We've just done the challenge with the 2cv. The photographs should be on Facebook, but I got problems uploading them. But the gist of it is, the 2cv is in front, the Mehari's over there, that's in second place, and the Tesla's last. But this is where the Tesla's going to get the time back, because it's very, very steep up to the bridge. We've got 145 miles to go to the next challenge. Jacob, hand them out.
Well, how many days behind are we at the moment? How many days have we got to pick up?
You are 8,000 hours behind.
We're about to make
Yeah.
We're going to have some really long, straight stretches of hills.
So our back will be flat.
Many hundreds of meters. Go on, James. You can do it.
So Sunday, challenge 2. The clock will restart once the adjudicators have posted a group photo on Facebook, which we'll do shortly. You need to drive to Millau, the viaduct, to drive under the viaduct. You need to post a team selfie with the eggs and the viaduct in the background, and the clock will stop. So this is the enormous bridge across the valley in the south of France. And there's a lovely picture just here.
Yeah, look at that.
My smart car with that.
Yeah, beautiful.
Viaduct. We've got to wait until all the teams have arrived, and then we head to the hotel. So we have our picture taken under the bridge. So how far is that?
It's 148 miles, I think.
But most of that is uphill.
It's not all uphill. A lot of it is down, but you got to go back up.
Excellent.
So I think we get to about 1,200 meters, and eventually, and then we're back down.
Well, good luck everyone. They'll run out of electricity.
We've only got to refuel 9 times.
No, don't exaggerate. It's 8 times.
Oh!
Yes, and I got your little generator in the back, in the diesel generator in the back.
We're only going to refuel 8 times before we get there, so we'll be okay.
Now,
No, we're not first.
the other thing, it will be dark when we get there, so the photographs will be crap, but we'll put them online anyway. So we'll speak to you later.
Charging up the battery pack quite nicely. Going all down here using engine braking. I don't know how taxing a hill like this would be for the Mehari, but I wonder if these are the kind of hills they're saying will slow them down, and obviously you won't notice it. But that just seems like such a gentle incline, and maybe that isn't the hill, type of hill that is going to cause them a problem. But we haven't come across many hills yet that I think are particularly vicious, unless they're still to come.
Yeah, there's a lot of mountains just down there,
Right.
short of Mehari.
I think that car's killing a few pain wheels. On this bit on the motorway, it's a really steep hill. It's 40 miles an hour. We just came out of second, we're back in the third now. But the good thing is we're in front of the Mehari, and the Tesla's way in front. We did catch it up at one point where it was charging, but it just shot past us again. Hey, downhill now. temperature, so it's coming up now apparently at now. So.
In half a mile, turn right onto the road, then take the first left.